So I know you've been wondering, am I experiencing vertigo or is this a stroke? Well, today's video, we're going to look to answer that for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years so that they can live amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. If you've been wondering how or if you could do that for any conditions in health, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly sharing information on how you can exactly do that. Now, how do I know if I'm having a stroke or if I'm just experiencing vertigo? So they typically present with some really different symptoms. When you're having a stroke, some of the things that you may notice is that your speech begins to become slurred. It can be difficult to focus on things out in the distance, and you may notice that a side of your body, your face, are hard to control and or move. These are really important signs and symptoms that tell you that you need some emergency medical help immediately. That means go to the ER, get checked, okay? Because a stroke can be real severe and it can advance very quickly. Now, vertigo, on the other hand, is a sensation that the room is sort of rotating around you and that you're in that room. It can sometimes be so significant that you want to just lie down and you don't want to go anywhere. You feel uncomfortable sitting up. It's difficult to stand on your feet. You look to hold onto a wall or something or a cane to help you walk around. When you're having symptoms that are more like this, it's really important to wind up finding the cause. And one of the great people to do that is a corrective chiropractor. If your symptoms fall into this category, let's look to connect you with a corrective chiropractor. You can write down below, and we do our best to keep all of our patients up to date and all of the messages up to date on people who can help them wherever they may be. However, if not, we may recommend that we do a discovery call so we can connect and figure out what's your next best step. Once again, if you've got questions about this or how this breaks down, go ahead and write them down below in the comments, and I'll do my best to wind up answering these for you. If you got other questions, write them down there too. That's how we come up with a lot of our content, so please do share. And once again, I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.